How to disable background apps on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable background apps in Windows 11. It's a great way to save system resource and improve performance. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, click on the start menu and after that, go to the settings. And here, once you are inside the settings, in the left hand sidebar, you should see the option labeled as apps. So simply click on that. And after that, on the right side, you can see the option labeled as installed apps. So simply select that. Now once you have selected it, under the installed apps, you can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the app that you want to stop from running in the background. And once you have found the app, simply click on the three dots menu next to it, and from the pop-up menu, simply choose Advanced option. And now here at the top of the new page, you see Background App Permissions. So simply click on the drop down under Let this app run in background and select Never. And that's it. With this, the app won't run in the background anymore. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.